vibe again.
Yep. Down in the valley, see, we've just come down the mountain pass. Now we're going to go up again. Well, that pass we just came through is called Prince Alfred's Pass. There's not a sign, I just saw it on the map, so...
At least you found it.
Found it, Prince Alfred's Pass. It's quite a stunning pass.
When they start building walls.
It's to stop you from going over the edge. Look down there.
That's quite the oasis,
Yeah,
eh?
it's pretty.
Oh, they're too far, I'm sure.
No, you can see them. Those wooden houses on stilts there. Really
horses.
pretty. Yeah.
Wow.
Really nice. There's those mountains Sonia was talking about with the folds in them.
They live right down in a valley, eh?
This is stunning, eh? It reminds me of Kleinrivier. Kromrivier. It reminds me of Kromrivier.
Ah, where we can see deep in the valley.
To the campsite, yeah.
Very nice. Up.
Look at that one balancing on the other one over there. The one rock balancing on the other one. Crazy.
That neck.
It's nice.
Oh. Oh, bikers.
Are they?
Nice one. That's a first.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Nice. Wow.
Containers, do you see?
Yep.
That's quite unique.
These.
Look at this wall
Yeah.
that they must have built up here.
Look at that one there.
That's the same one that's coming
Yes.
around, and I'm so glad you got a shot of that now, because that's amazing what
Yeah.
they did all those years ago. And it's still in place.
Still there.
So they had to build it all up on the side of the mountain.
Yeah. To make sure it doesn't cave away when you drive here.
Over 150 years ago.
Yeah.
The rocks are gorgeous.
Yep.
Have you ever been in Uniondale?
Never been there before.
Neither have I.
Sheer cliffs, eh?
feels teeny, eh?
Crazy. Insane. Look at this. Uniondale.
Our first glimpse.
The first glimpse of it. Welcome in Uniondale. Uniondale welcomes you.
Yeah. You just knew the town was right.
I just presumed. Klein Karoo Cafe, so it's definitely Klein Karoo. There's a church I have to go and see.
Is it? Oh wow, absolutely.
Yep.
We haven't seen many this time.
Oh, pretty buildings, eh?
Yeah. Again, the wide streets,
Yep,
eh?
definitely.
Does it fall under George? Under the same municipality? I'm sure. Well, it looks like it.
Got no idea. As you come driving into the town, all you see is the church, eh?
Is that sandstone?
Yeah, it looks like it.
And there's a Boer War fort.
Wow.
Wow, Poppy.
Goodness
Oh, wow.
gracious me.
Dutch Reformed.
This is a beautiful church. And
might be
the
the
clock
history.
works as well. I want to go and look at that board now.
Mm.
Check the history out. Stunning. The original cornerstone of this church was laid in 1883, and then it was inaugurated in 1884. But this church tower was built with the original bricks wasn't very successful, so they had to demolish it, and in 1908 they rebuilt this section. The architect of this church was Otto Hage, and he also was the architect of the NG Moedergemeente in Stellenbosch. Oh, I can't get in, it's locked. But it is beautiful.
Are those the ruins?
That must be the ruins up there, yeah.
Cool.
Interesting. Now we're just going up here to look for the old Boer War fort, just outside of, right on the border of Uniondale's town. There's the town. This is nice. You can see the whole of Uniondale from here. Maybe that's why the fort was on top.
So you say it's smaller than you thought?
Oh, much smaller than what I thought.
So you had the picture of a large town in your mind?
A larger town in my mind.
Oh, I didn't. What made you think that?
I don't know, I've heard of Uniondale so many times. I just presumed it was a nice big town.
No, it's small, eh?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Here we go again.
No, so, please be very careful.
I am.
There's no water. it's honestly very far down.
Oh, it is far down.
I would never have encouraged you to come up here.
There's the fort.
Is it? You see, it is like that.
Wow. Okay, let me get out and go and look. So the story here is the 19th of January 1901, and the English built these forts to protect the city when they heard the Boers were coming to attack them, and they successfully protected the town with 4 of these little forts built around the town here. So this was the English that protected Uniondale from, yeah, this is wild, eh? Really well situated. Look at the points where they could shoot out of. Interesting, eh? You can see so far from here. That's why they use this as a viewpoint. I love it. Okay, we're leaving the Boer War fort. This is an interesting road, eh?
Can we please go closer to the mountain?
Come on. This is interesting.